Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'm going to continue on the logic how to work with the sketches and how to reuse the sketch from the hard drive. In the last video tutorial we have reused the data directly from the hard drive based on this icon, but today we would like to continue with the logic how to reuse the palette. If you will select the palette, the system will load the default sketches defined by the PTC, and you can see that there's a lot of them, so you can really easily reuse them. You can simply drag and drop and then place, rotate and change the scale and so on. But the question is how to add your custom tab here into Sketcher palette. You can reuse the hidden configuration option. So if I will run directly embedded Internet Explorer in Creo 7, you can go to the 4ksite.com and the Customization Config Pro. You can find Creo Parametric 7 configuration options. And over here you can see that Sketcher palette path is possible to define, but it's the hidden option. What does it mean? If you will run File option and Configuration Editor, it's not possible to find this option because it's hidden. But what is good, that you can use it. So please copy Sketcher palette path and be careful that everything is written correctly, and then you can browse. Select the folder where your sketches are used. So for example, I have the folder 4ksite palette, and over here I have two additional folders, A01, B02, and if I will confirm OK, you can save and store this configuration profile on your hard drive and reuse it for next time. I'd like to test it right now, so only confirm OK, and then if I will select palette, you see the system will directly load all information from this folder. So if I will simply open it, you can see here that I have a lot of custom sketches here in the folder A01 and so on. So what does it mean? I can reuse my custom sketches and simply again, for example, this shape I like to reuse and directly place and work with it. Yeah. So change dimension and reuse. The question is if you would like to add the additional one, for example, from U profile, no problem. We will create the new folder in the 4ksite palette. For example, new folder U profiles, doesn't matter, you can set your custom names, and then simply to copy or move object from one folder to another one. What does it mean? If the configuration option is set up for this folder and you create a new folder here, something like subfolder, the system will check and create the tab based in the palette. So if I will select right my palette, you see that right now I have a U profile here, and again I can reuse it. So for example, we can delete this one, existing one, and place it here. In this video tutorial, you have learned how to use the hidden option and then how to add more custom tabs in the Sketcher palette. Like video tutorial and stay tuned. Bye bye. Vladimir.